Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great investment property. It is located on Lakeview Drive, St. Mary. This is a large multifamily dwelling with 9 units of varying sizes, with all occupied. This property is just a stone throw off the Tower Isle Resort corridor, bringing continuous rental income to its owner. Occupants have easy access to transportation, shopping, and community amenities. The main floor includes 2 bed, 2 bath, 2 bed, 1 bath, 1 bath, 1 bed. The top floor has 2 bed, 2 bath, 2 bed, 1 bath, 2 1 bed, and 1 bath, and a basement with 1 bed and 1 bath. This approximately 7,000 square feet building sits on 0.3 acres of land and comes with beach rights, with further developments scheduled for the area, such as Barita's 250-acre beachfront property and more flights into Boscobel. Property purchased in this area is wise investment. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $889,999. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.